Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to Fn of tanx. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u. Secant of s square over tan s ds we change for du. So this one we have like this. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to Fn of cotx. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for u. This one in here we change for negative du. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.